Hello everyone, I welcome you all to GeekScript. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress, and after that I am also going to show you how you can easily use our WordPress for absolutely free locally on your system. So do watch the video till the end. I can promise you that you will be learning a lot of new things, and if these videos are really helping you, you can always put a comment in your comment sections letting me know that yeah, this video is actually helping me and I need more videos on WordPress. So that will motivate me to make more such videos. And again, if you face any issues, so that also you can let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Now to install WordPress, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and to just simply type over here WordPress download and hit enter. And this will show you this download wordpress.org link. You need to open that link and you can see get WordPress. So this link I'm going to put right in our description. So here you have to click on this download WordPress and you can see our WordPress is rightly started downloading over here. So WordPress is the first product that we need to have, and the next one that you need to have is XAMPP. So open a new tab and just simply type over here XAMPP download and you'll be able to see this download XAMPP. So open that and you can see our official site of XAMPP. So again, this link I'm going to put right in our description. So here you can see that our latest version of XAMPP is version 8.2.12. So you need to click on this download button and you can see awesome, our download will start automatically, and you can see that our XAMPP is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded both these two software, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory and here you can see that we already have XAMPP then WordPress already downloaded over here, right? So you have to just simply first double click on XAMPP to install it locally on our system. It will ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes and let's minimize our download directory. So welcome to XAMPP and welcome to XAMPP setup wizard. So just simply click on next over here. So here you need to, all the files are already been selected. You need to just simply click on next. So they're going to create a XAMPP folder over here, which is again totally fine. Click on next. And now it's ready to be installed. Click on next and there you go. You can see our XAMPP is rightly started installing. Right. So this installing XAMPP will take some time, so you can wait. So by the time our XAMPP get installed, I'll go to my download directory. And here, remember we have downloaded our WordPress, right? So let's right click and extract our WordPress over here. So just simply click on extract and you can see that our extraction of our WordPress is rightly began. So let's wait for some time, let both our XAMPP and our WordPress get extracted, and then I'm going to again back to this video. So we'll come back and now you can clearly see that our WordPress is rightly extracted over here, right? So you can close the folder now. And you can also see that our XAMPP is also installed. So also do you want to start XAMPP control panel? This option is checked. So just simply click on finish to launch our XAMPP, and you can also open our XAMPP by just simply going to the search icon and just simply type XAMPP. So that will also show you this XAMPP control panel. So from here also you can open. So once our XAMPP get open, you need to just simply start our Apache and you need to start our MySQL. So you can see both our Apache and MySQL are rightly started. So now you need to click on this admin. So that will open our localhost PHP MyAdmin within our default browser. So here you need to just simply click on new and we'll be creating a database over here. So let's give the database name as WordPress. So remember to give the WordPress database name as W as small. So normally we give small. So just simply click on create and you'll be able to see that our WordPress database is rightly created over here. So that's all you need to do it over here for the time being. So let's minimize our browser now and go back to our download folder. So here you can see that our WordPress is rightly extracted over here, right? If you go inside that folder, you'll be able to see WordPress is rightly extracted, right? All these files are here now. So what you need to do is you need to click on this WordPress folder and you need to click on cut. So you are cutting our WordPress folder and then we are going back to our C drive. We'll go to our XAMPP folder and then we'll be going inside our htdocs folder. And within our htdocs folder, we are again right clicking, and we are pasting that extracted WordPress folder over here. So whatever files were there are now currently moved into our htdocs folder of XAMPP. So here you can see the folder name is W is small, right? So same thing you need to type over here. Just you need to open a new tab and type localhost first, and after localhost give a slash and give WordPress and hit enter. So localhost slash the name of the folder. So let's say you want to create couple of more WordPress folders, so you need to rename this WordPress folder name with WordPress folder 1, WordPress folder 2, like that, right? And here in our browser, you need to type localhost slash WordPress folder 1, WordPress folder 2, like that, if you want to create multiple WordPress sites. So that's just I wanted to tell you. So once you do that, you'll be able to see these languages. So English is fine, click on continue. So let's go. We'll be providing our database name. So remember that database name that we have created is WordPress, right? So that same database name is what you need to provide over here, WordPress. So you need to provide your username. So let's give the provide name as root. Password I'll leave it blank, and all other things are fine, localhost and WP only. Just simply click on submit and run the installation. So when you click on this run the installation, it's going to start installing our WordPress. Before that, it will ask you for a site title. Let's give the site title as Geeky Script, and username, let's give the username as root, and password also we are going to provide as root, and confirm the use of weak password. And email, you can give any email. So I'll just give a dummy email, and I'm going to click on install WordPress. So when you click on install WordPress, it's going to take some time, about a minute or two hardly, to install our WordPress. So let's wait for a couple of minutes, and there you go. You can see that our WordPress is rightly installed. So you can just simply click on login over here. So let's give the same password, username and password, whatever you are given, root, and password is also root, right? You can also check this remember me, so that you don't need to type that same user credentials again and again. Click on login, and it's going to log in. So there you go, welcome to WordPress, right? So you are rightly logged in over here. So let's hover our title. So remember the title name that we had given is Geeky Script, and you will be able to see this visit site. Click on that, and it's going to redirect to the that site that they have already created, right? So you can see our site is created over here. So already you are having a website up and running, right? So anything you can change it over here. Let's go back to our dashboard. Here, from here you can just hover over appearance and click on theme. So you can install any theme from here. You can also click on this add new theme, and you can install any new theme from here. You can see we have a lot of themes, right? So in this way you install latest version of WordPress on a Windows operating system. So do let me know on our comment sections if you need more videos on WordPress. I'll be happy to make more videos. And I have started Geeky Syntax channel. So here I am going to provide more and more WordPress related videos. So the videos will be on like how to create a cooking website, or how to create an educational website, and all that, right? So many of those videos you'll be seeing on our Geeky Syntax channel. So for that, I'm going to request you to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to put the link in the description, and I have also started a Geeky Script vlogging channel. So this channel also you can subscribe if you're interested. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. That will really help me to make more such videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.